Whitening toothpaste releases pure oxygen bubbles for a clean, fresh sensation. Helps remove teeth stains. Cleans deep and whitens teeth. Fights cavities. Removes plaque and impurities. Delivers a clean, fresh sensation. Fights cavities. Helps remove stains. Long-lasting cooling effect. Colgate Baking Soda and Peroxide Whitening Toothpaste, with a great Brisk Mint flavor, refreshes and cleans for whiter teeth. This whitening toothpaste cleans deep, preventing cavities and the buildup of tartar. Our unique formula releases pure oxygen bubbles every time you brush your teeth for a clean, fresh sensation. This baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste has a Brisk Mint flavor that freshens breath. Active ingredient, sodium monofluorophosphate, 0.76%, 0.14% with/V fluoride ion. Purpose, anticavity. Inactive ingredients, glycerin, hydrated silica, water, sodium bicarbonate, PEG 12, sodium lauryl sulfate, flavor, sodium hydroxide, cellulose gum, Carrageenan, sodium saccharin, calcium peroxide, titanium dioxide. Top reviews from the United States. A good toothpaste. I purchased this package of Colgate toothpaste since I have used Colgate for years. I was running out and I had an order to send to Amazon. I like the taste and texture of the paste and the way it whitens my teeth with regular use. This double pack was priced very reasonably and saved me a trip to my local Walmart. I'm happy with my purchase and have been a lifelong user of Colgate toothpaste. I have been cavity-free since the age of 21. Thanks, Colgate.